How to animate titles using keyframes in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive and create or open a project where you want to add animated titles. Next, go to the project bin and right-click to add a title clip. Enter your desired text for the title. After that, drag the title clip to the timeline and select it. Then, open the Effects panel and search for the transform effect. Apply it to your title clip. Now, to animate your title using keyframes, go to the Effect stack and find the transform effect. Here you will see the option to enable keyframes for properties like position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Start by clicking the keyframe button next to the property you want to animate, like position. Move the playhead on the timeline to where you want the animation to end and change the position values. Kden will create a smooth animation between these keyframes. You can add more keyframes for scale or rotation to create dynamic motion. Adjust the timing by moving keyframes along the timeline for faster or slower animation. Preview your animation by playing the timeline. If needed, tweak the keyframes until you get the effect you want. And that's it. Now you know how to animate titles using keyframes in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.